How will you like to earn money online? Will it be to sell YouTube likes? So in this video, I'll be showing you the exact method this senior citizen is using to earn $175 plus a day selling YouTube likes. So if you want to earn money like this senior citizen, then I want you to watch this video to the very last end, and I will be giving you other strategies that you can use to earn even more. So yes, you can actually earn this money with this strategy that I am going to show you, and it is absolutely free. You don't need any initial capital to start it. And I don't mean you are going to sit down and be clicking likes on every YouTube video. It's not something like that. You are going to make money without doing that. And this is something that you can actually repeat over and over and over and over again. So you can do it several times and be making money on autopilot. So this strategy, you can actually scale it up and earn even more. And it involves only 5 websites. Don't be scared that you have to visit 5 websites. It is absolutely very simple, easy, newbie friendly. Anybody can do it. So I want you to subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell, like the video, and leave your comment below. You can tell me other ways that you want to make money online, and I will certainly make a video on it. So yes, you can actually be paid online, just like what you are seeing here. So I'll be leaving 2 other links below that you can actually use to earn money online, and that is if you want to earn full-time income online. So check the links, other links below. So I need you to come to this website, Addmefast.com. So this is actually a website that you can earn points by watching YouTube videos, doing so many other things. It's for social media, and you can actually promote your social media, improve upon your search engine optimization with this website. And it's very easy to join. So you just click on this link here, and then you enter your email address, password, repeat your password here, and you see with the password you have to make it secured, and by making it secured it should be at least alphanumeric plus special character, and one of the alphabets should be a capital. Then you repeat your password here and click I am not a robot. So that is how you sign up to this website. So let's get to the members area, and I'll show you what you need to do. So this is my account, as you can see. So already I have 355 points here, which I can use for anything that I want. So if you look here, you can see you can add your own site, subscriptions, buy points, etc. And once you sign up, you are given some points. So you can see that we have so many social media channels here. So what we are going to do here, there are 2 things that you have to do. We can decide to visit some other websites. Just look at the website for about 10 seconds and then we earn points. Or we can watch YouTube videos, and we are going to look at both methods. So first of all, let's watch YouTube videos. So we click on it. So let's see. So now with this video, I'm going to earn 40 points for watching this video. So I want you to look at my points here. I have 355 points. So if I click watch, So I will be shown this pop-up. So the video have started, so I just have to watch it for a few seconds. Fortunately, this video is not long, it's just about 44 seconds. I believe it's an advert, so just watch it and that is it. Yeah, so another short video is playing, so just watch it, then I'll show you what to do next. It's just very simple, very easy, guys, very easy. Alright guys, I think we have been credited, so let me just close this window, and then so if you check here, you see that we have 395 points instead of 355 points. So that is it, guys. So you see that you can actually earn points very easy. Now let me show you the other way that you can actually do. Let's decide to visit a website. So let's click on this link. So it shows here, so you can see that my points are still there, and this one will be giving me 8 points for visiting this website, just watching it for 10 seconds, and I'll be credited that points. So this is a website, so you can see that the timer here is reading. I think it's actually some 15 seconds. So you, the one putting your link here, will actually decide how long you want it to, how many points you want to give. So you can see here. So I believe you've gotten it now. So now let's move to the next strategy. So this is strategy number 1. Now I want you to come to this website, SEOCLERKS. I'll be leaving the link below so that you can join there. You can actually buy a lot of gigs from here, or you can create your own gig. But what I want you to do is to click here, join, and sign up. It's very easy to sign up to this website. All that you just need to do is, click, and then you enter your username, your email, password, and then you confirm it. And the next thing is you have to verify your email from your inbox, and that is it, guys. You are in good business. Then you have to enter your PayPal account, or other payment methods that the website might require you to do. So as you can see here, these are people who are actually selling various services, and you can equally do the same. So I am going to show you how you can create your own gig. So first of all, I will show you what you need to do. So you see, this person is selling YouTube services. Now let's click on it and I'll show you something. So you see, this person is selling YouTube services to promote YouTube services for $6, and that is just video promotion. So I want to show you something here. What are the extra gigs this person have? So you see here, YouTube likes $2. You see, look at here, $8, $12, $22. So you can actually make all these money, $22. So all that you just have to do is that you create an account, make your image like this, and you can either do it on Canva or any other, even you can use PowerPoint to create something like this. So you see, this person is currently online, promoting her services, and it's actually very easy. A lot of people are there who want to to promote their YouTube channel and other services, so you can equally do that. So that is what you do, guys. Now So once you create it, you can just boost your gig. There is a free method of boosting your gig. I'll do that in another video to show you what you can do. So here, like I'm here, I can just decide to purchase any of these services and I am making money. Now let's go to the second website. So this is the second website. This website, in fact, I've never been able to pronounce the name very well. FOURERR. Yeah, I believe I'm right, because it's 4. After all, if there is FOURERR, then there is what? FOURERR. So that is what it is. Now you can see this is also another YouTube gig, YouTube likes, and this person is selling it for $5, and you can equally do something like this. So the same services, you can sell them at different websites and make a lot of money. You see, this person is selling it for $20. So the next place you can do that is FOURERR. So the next place you can actually do that is FOURERR. So you see, all these are YouTube video promotion or channel promotion, and you can do this too on FOURERR. You see, this person, $20, $45, $10, $15, etc. So you can make a lot of money doing this strategy. So this is $35. Now let's go back to the first website we went, Addmefast, and I'll show you. So when you get a gig, in other words, when someone purchases your services, what you need to do. Yes, so now we are back here. So you can see this place. You can see this add site stroke page. So what you just need to do is, anyone who buys your gig, you just need to take the URL of that, and here click add site or gig. Then you come here. What do you need? You need YouTube likes. So you see this video likes, YouTube video likes. So you select it, then just put the heading or title here, put the URL here. So you can see some of these I have actually promoted a couple of stuff here, and then the number you want, and you click save, and that is it, guys. You are on your way to earning $175 a day. Wow. So that is it, guys. So this is a method. I believe this video brought some value to you. If it brought some value to you, please subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell, like the video, leave your comments below, and share it. Thank you very much. God bless you.